Hi there, this is Cathryn Dall with Network in Action Eastside. Today I have joining me Robert Franco with Eastside Estate Planning. He is the owner and an attorney with the firm. Robert, thanks so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. So I know you've been practicing law for quite some time, but I'd love to hear your journey of why you chose to go into estate planning.
Well, I started out after law school working at a corporation in-house, reviewing contracts, helping put deals together, regulatory compliance, things like that. And I realized that I like working with people, solving problems proactively, trying to avoid problems in the future. And I realized that I kind of was always attracted to estate planning, and I realized that helping people with their wills or creating trust was something that I wanted to take my career that in that direction. And so I got a tax law degree and started working for attorneys who were doing estate planning, and then eventually decided to just go out on my own and do it the way that I wanted to do it.
That's wonderful. What's been the most rewarding part about actually going out on your own and having your own practice?
I think it's just being able to kind of do things my way, and I don't have a firm telling me how to bill people or how to talk to people. I can bill flat fees, which I like to do. I don't have to bill by the hour, which I think is better for clients. It's just more friendly, I think, to clients. So I can take on clients, and any client that I like. I don't have somebody telling me, oh, that maybe that doesn't make them enough money, or that whatever. I don't have to take on certain cases that I don't like. So
Yeah, it sounds like you truly get to choose the people that you want to
yeah,
work with and help the most and make sure it's a good fit for you and the goals you're trying to achieve.
exactly. Yeah.
And if someone, Robert, was exploring like hiring an estate planning attorney um, to help them with their needs for wills or trusts, or maybe they don't even know what exactly that they need, what is something you always tell them to, look for when they are looking to find the right fit for them?
Yeah, that's a great question. There's kind of a range. You can sort of do it yourself on programs like LegalZoom. I wouldn't recommend that, except for a very few people. They're very simple problems. And then there's, big firms that will charge you a lot of money. And so, I'm kind of somewhere in the middle of that. And so, but a lot of it has to do with what you're comfortable, what number one with paying, and also, the relationship that you have, the feel of the person that you're speaking with, the attorney. Um, I my philosophy is to spend as much time as a client needs. I don't bill by the hour, so I can, if you need to call me every day until we get this figured out, that's fine. The clock's not ticking or anything. I don't have a massive support staff. Some people like, to go to a big skyrise downtown and know but I can do everything myself. So it just, you got to get a feel, talk to different people, see what you're comfortable with.
Thank you. I appreciate that guidance. And yeah, it seems like those relationships are definitely a huge key and part of your practice. And you definitely won't get that from a legal Zoom or something
Right. And a
along
lot of
those
it, yeah,
lines.
because one of the problems with a service like LegalZoom is you don't know what you don't know. And so,
Right.
when you go do it yourself, I mean, you kind of have this limited understanding. A lot of people think, oh, I need a trust. I need a revocable trust, but maybe you don't. And so you need somebody to explain to you what those options are. And then you can make that decision, but you should. So many times, I mean, I used to do consultations with LegalZoom, and so many times when I talked to people, they thought it was so simple, and then they start talking, then they realize, oh wow, there's a lot to consider here. Thank you for like walking me through this. I'm not comfortable drafting this on my own.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Well, I'm so excited to see your continued growth with your firm and those relationships that you build here in the local community. Robert, if someone wanted to speak to you to see if you were the right fit for them, what's the best way for them to reach you?
they can email me at robert at eastsideestateplanning.com. They can call or text at 206-356-0693. And we can schedule a 15 or 30-minute consultation.
Great. Well, I'm so excited to see your growth and appreciate having you as a Network in Action member. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.